How everybody doing? Minnie up in the house. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. We out here checking out some cars. Y'all see this old school truck right here? That thing is old. It's an old Ford. Isn't it? Old metal. This used to be somebody's pizza business. I guess it still is. I guess they make them outside. They got the whole thing right there. The whole thing. You want to make pizzas outdoors? You got the whole little cooker, the outdoor sink right there. Look at that igloo oven. That is pretty cool. Pretty cool. We got a Fusion SE. This thing looks mad crazy with all the little chrome pieces right there. Then they messed that right there. And they got a red mirror. This thing was put back together like a puzzle piece. For real. Now you can't go wrong with the old school. Yeah, if I have a car truck combo, this is what I want right here. The El Camino. They took the debadging badges off of it. But then you got the old school Camino right here. Got a deep dish window. Yeah, got the old school Chevy badge right there. Yeah. Oh, are these people trying to get out? Hold on, y'all. I got people right here. Of course, they right here behind me. Then you got the Jeep sitting up on the wheels right there. Look at these assholes. Drove through for nothing. And I broke my... Oh, hang on, y'all. All right, y'all. We back. I had to come around. These assholes. Y'all saw the Camino right here. Wasn't there something else right here? I'm sure. Maybe it was them dickheads sitting there. Y'all, we got the Dodge Nitro right here. I love the Dodge Nitro. I used to have one. Wonder what they're asking. Sometimes this place right here, their prices be like too high. And y'all know I just love it. I don't know what it is about vans because they're so spacious. I just love a good van. Somebody scratched that all up all good. Like, so with that, were they trying to get in it? It's like cracked up. Old school Chevy van. Got a pickup truck over here. A Malibu. Y'all believe we seen this Soltis. I believe that's how you say the Pontiac Soltis that was here last time. The top is all nasty. Yeah, y'all remember the Honda? I will add a link, or a matter of fact, yeah, I'll add a link to the video before. If y'all remember the red Honda Civic we seen here before, like it's been like a year. The coupe, they had that thing for like a year. They were trying to sell it. The price was too high on it, so I guess they finally sold it, or they sent it to auction or something. But we got the little Mirage over here. Little Mitsubishi Mirage. Lime green color. I'm out here all relaxed. I'm out here in my slide. In my slides and stuff, y'all. We got a Camry. I do not like these Toyota Sienna vans. Like the shape of them. It's just so ugly to me, but they got the leather seats in there. I like the body style after this, not particularly this one. Yeah, this one, I don't know, it's just so ugly. Another Camry. still right here. This is my favorite. They probably asking a grip for this thing right here. Let's walk down here. We was looking at the Jeep before that Jeep so rudely came up on us. But y'all, look at this Jeep right here though. I don't even like this body style, but this looks pretty good. Got the meaty tires on there. Look at the rims. The rims actually look pretty good. The Jeep rims. Looks pretty nice. Except for the peeling. You see the peeling and stuff right there. Another Solera. I think this was here last time, y'all, too. See the Solera, Impala, one of my favorites. They got a Chevy HHR right there, and they got an old school Jeep right here. I believe it is. No, yeah, it's a Defender. That's not Jeep though, that's a Defender. They got an Accord over there. Another Accord. A Camry, another Jeep, and a Sentra. Yeah, y'all remember that Sentra? That was here too. Let's take a look at this Defender though. I appreciate these old school cars. Like an upside down boat. I don't know why they didn't close this, getting the water inside of there. The steering wheel is on the passenger side, so that tells you something. That's pretty cool. That's real. That's really neat, y'all. Y'all see it? Let's take a look at the ceiling. That's cool. Real neat. That is real neat. Let's take a look at the back of it. Land Rover. Okay, I was like Defender. It was coming back to me. Not Jeep, obviously. Old school. This is vintage right here, Land Rover. That's vintage Land Rover right there. Then they got the little orange Jeep right there. The little orange Jeep. And I believe this Sentra was here last time we looked at this Sentra. You guys remember? Yeah, we've seen this Sentra before. And they haven't sold it yet. Yeah, we've seen this one. They screwed them in like that. It's peeling a little bit. Yeah, so we've seen that Sentra. And let's take a look. We've seen HHR before, but we'll look at the Camry right here. Pretty clean inside. Let's see. Cloth interior. Some bird shit. I like the darker colored one more, obviously. That darker gray. This one got the sunroof. Oh, this one has a sunroof too. But I still like this color better. Both cloth seats, cloth interior. See. Sorry, y'all. This is kind of quick because I gotta get to my warehouse. I got a lot to get done. And they got the Miata, the baby Miata over here, convertible. This thing is damn near off the curb. Little black leather interior. It's a stick. I don't know what it is about people out here. They love these Miatas though. It's strange. You got the HHR. The Impala, y'all. We gotta look at the Impala. I don't know. I love these Impalas. These Imps are pretty cool. This is cloth interior. I'd prefer leather interior in my Imp. Oh shit! Don't break the cars now. Ain't trying to pay for that. I don't even like the HHR. Not trying to pay for that. And y'all see the Solera. They don't have like a variety of cars out here, like a bunch right now. The Solera got the you call it like cloth seat, but I can't remember what it's called, the different fabric. Almost like what was in my Kia Soul. Then y'all see they got the ugly Ram over there. That one's ugly. And they got the Jeep. But my favorite car over here is definitely the El Camino. Like, I love that. Look at the detail on this old school Chevy. I love that grill. You know when you see that grill that it's old school. And when you see the square shape, the box shape, you know that's old school. Just look at this thing. I love it. This would be perfect, you know, to go out driving in the summertime. Unless you live in the south, then you could drive this whenever. I don't know if I can. The hood appears to be up. Wonder if we can look under there. I don't know if this is for sale to somebody else. Let me see. We're gonna look under the hood, y'all. Oh my God, look at that. Ooh, big top. That is a beauty. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. That is beautiful. What do y'all think about this El Camino? Like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me see if I can get this back down further. I don't know if I left it like that. Yeah, we'll do that. All right, what do y'all think about the El Camino? Leave me a comment. This thing is beautiful. If you have one of these, you know, hold on to it. They're definitely, when you find them, they're definitely not cheap. Anyways, guys, I'm sorry this video is so short. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a comment, like my videos, and I'm gonna catch y'all on another video. All right, see you next time.